Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a really neat Buick. This is a 1954 Buick Roadmaster. It's a two-owner, all original car. The exterior's got a really neat patina on it, on that original red paint. But the highlights of this car is, for one, how solid it is as far as body and undercarriage, and two, the interior on it is absolutely gorgeous. And this one's got some great options as well. Underneath the hood is the 322 Fireball V8.
Fireball?
Fireball, they call it. It was the higher horsepower V8.
Well, I got you.
Hard to do with gloves on.
All right.
But it's cold today.
This drivetrain is, to me, is 100% bone stock. We did obviously put a new battery on it, and we went through this whole thing and did all the brake salt. I mean, frickin' turn the drums, shoes. I mean, we did the whole works.
Yeah. It's like what, 40,000 miles on the car, 43,000, and I believe this drivetrain's probably never been touched. So runs and drives, but you know, if you want to make a daily drive out of it, you probably want to freshen up the drivetrain. I know it's got a little oil leak and transmission leak.
It's got a transmission and oil leak. But for the price range and the price point of what we're doing with this, everyone that's came up to this car and just seen it inside loves it.
Everyone that's drove it loves it. It's got a working four-way factory power seat. I just want to highlight the interior really quick because, you know, the exterior patina is cool, but look at the original paint in the jams. Looks brand new almost.
You're kidding me.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Perfect.
And then the interior is spectacular. Horn works, the dash is beautiful.
Let's do a quick walk around, D, so we can get in there and stay warm.
So we get in the heat.
Yeah.
So obviously original paint, you're gonna have some patina on that original paint, which we kind of liked. We thought if we were gonna do something with this car, it'd be cool just to clear coat the original patina.
I think so too. Just even a flat, you know what I mean? Just to preserve it.
Yeah.
All the bumpers, chrome, everything like that's original, and it shows wear. It's just one of those cool cars you can jump in, drive to a cruise night, have a lot of fun with it, put your buddies in the back seat, all for under $12,900.
Yeah, it's badass. This is cool too on these Roadmasters.
It's super solid underneath, but look at how all the fitment is. I mean, this car's never been apart. Look.
But that's
all solid. I mean, I don't think there's a rust spot anywhere on this passenger side. Light surface rust, but super, super solid.
Yeah, it is really solid.
And the Roadmaster, D, I don't know if you know this, top of the line.
Yeah, I kind of imagine so with the options it has.
Look at this. Like you said, all the doors are gonna paint. And who the hell would do original red car with blue interior?
It's awesome.
It's pretty cool. And that interior, even the paint on the inside and the trim, it's like
brand new almost.
Yeah, it's awesome.
You know, obviously the original seat's got some stains, but no rips or tears in that fabric that's 60, 70 years old.
70 years old. 70 exactly. Crack in the windshield here, D. Or the window, sorry. Look at the stainless around here. All the stainless.
Awesome. And it fires right up too. This morning in the showroom, just turned the key on, put the accelerator down, it fired right up. Didn't up at nothing. You got some patina on the white top here. You know, painted roof, not a vinyl. The trunk is awesome as well. There's pictures on our site. It's too cold to waste any time looking at that in the video. It's like 9 degrees here today and windy. I love the taillights on these. It's got some patina here. But super straight, super solid. Newer white wall tires.
They are bias ply though.
And again, just the fitment and the solidness.
I'll get this door. It does have a dent here about the size of my thumb, D. Other than that, the paint problem is just the paint's wearing off.
But that's awesome.
And the door panel is just amazing. Let's hop her ass in there. Hey,
Please.
One more. The seat does have some wear right there just from squashing it.
Yep.
See what I'm saying? On the very, very side.
Show that power seat works too. I'm gonna feature that on here. It's right in front.
And it's not just a forward and back, is it? It's like a 6-way or a 4-way.
4-way, yeah.
Goes up.
That's cool.
Look at that.
70-year-old power seat works.
Look at that, forward.
What a damn cool car. It's cold. Brr.
One other thing, once you sit in here and it's warmer, look at the door panel. See where it says Roadmaster down a little bit? See that?
Yeah.
It's freaking cool. See what I'm talking about?
I can't get it on the camera right here. Yeah, they're neat. Got them in the back too.
Power steering as well. This car's got power steering. Should we show them how to start the damn thing?
Yeah. So
Okay, so turn it off right here.
that's
No,
the
that's
wipers. Wipers work too.
And they work. No, they're not very
They're
fast.
slow. They're vacuum, but they kind of work.
Yeah, they kind of work.
So you turn it off here,
Got you.
then you turn it back on. I had to go find Justin because I couldn't,
Oh,
you know,
now
usually.
we're on. Gas gauge works as well. Isn't that
Yeah,
nuts?
so does the speedometer.
Okay, so how do we start this thing, right?
So you turn the key to on.
Yep.
Yep, and then I was looking on the other day, and Justin's like, you just got to push the accelerator down. It's fun.
It's amazing.
Headlighters.
Power antenna,
And it works.
and it freaking works. Look at that, you guys.
This car's just a time capsule. It's special.
That didn't work. What's this? What is that?
I don't know. It's cool though. The old radio. Glove box is locked, but
That's awesome. We're gonna put that.
power
down.
antenna works. It's special. Dome light works. It's got even like the little switch here for the
Oh my
dome light.
gosh. Like I said, forget the outside's cool. The inside is immaculate.
Yeah, it's special.
Okay. Indicator works good. Horn works. Gas gauge works.
You can tell this.
Oil pressure's way up here on high though, Dalt. Look
Yeah.
at that.
Yeah, I mean it's strong, but it's just like
Temperature gauge works.
Yeah.
I mean, it's amazing.
Yep.
The only thing that's not looking like it's working is the clock and the radio. What's in here?
And the radiator's
Binder?
been rebuilt.
There's your speaker back in here.
Mm-hmm.
Now, fan. I don't think our heater fan works. It's pretty cool. I mean, I probably don't even know how to run the damn thing. Summer, auxiliary heater. It's got double fan, heat vent fan, heat vent fan. I don't know. Don't
Yeah,
know
you
if
can
the
tell
heater
this whole
works.
thing was top of the line.
She's a Roadmaster. Turn signal indicators work in the dash.
Even that's kind of cool.
Yeah, we put a lot of work into this whole girl, didn't they? Speedometer, as far as that goes, it's got the ribbon speedometer.
And
that
it works.
good.
Those never work.
Yeah. Here's our brakes. Oh, wow. And it came in and had no brakes. I mean, this car sat in a Quonset for a long, long time.
Mm-hmm. Yep, guy had a Buick collection, and this was one of them in there, and bought the
Yeah, it's
collection.
not normally, but we bought this out of 6 cars.
Yeah.
So we had it sitting around for a long time, and we finally put
Put the
we
radiator
bought
back
cheap,
in it.
but by the time we did all the brakes and everything
Yep.
we did, rebuilt the radiator, just a bunch of stuff on it. So
She goes down the road like a master.
it is a Roadmaster. The wipers are kind of annoying though. For biased tires though, look at it. It goes down the road good. The speedometer says 75.
We're moving.
No wonder why everyone loved this thing. It does.
It does.
Just floats, don't
Yeah.
it? That's cool.
It is cool. Neat car. Check it out.
It's warm in here
On
too.
this, it is warm. Check it out on the site, CoyoteClassics.com. You could be the next one to master the road
Oh,
in this
I like it.
54 Buick Roadmaster. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.